Hi, my name's Holly, and I got this beautiful piece of silver for my wedding 22 years ago. And it's looking a little dingy. I don't even dare use it at the dinner table. I used it a little when we were first married, then we moved a few times, it got put in boxes, and now I have this beautiful hutch behind me with my china and whatnot. And this just needs to be polished. So I found this amazing cloth on Amazon, Mayflower polishing cloth, and I'm gonna try it out. It's non-toxic, so it has the gray on the outside, and then the cleaning power is in the white cloth on the inside. So you polish with the white, and it should remove all the dirt and grime, and then you can buff it with the gray cloth on the outside. And then in the instructions, it does say for heavily tarnished metal, you might need to lightly moisten it. And so I'm thinking with this piece, I might need to do that. So that's why I have a bowl of water. So let's get to it. I'm excited to see how this works. So definite before, very tarnished. So let's see what we can do. And it might take me a while, but it's gonna be worth it. Oh wow, I can already see the difference. You gotta put a little elbow grease into it for sure, but with any polishing, you have to do that. Wow, okay, I can start to see my face in it. Oh wow, look what it got off. Very tarnished and dirty. That's kind of sad, but it's wonderful. This is going to bring this piece back to life. Okay, I mean, I am scrubbing hard, and see this area, that's where I did. There is a little stubborn spot, so I'm just going to try the water thing that it said to do. Of course, I'm just using the white part. Oh yeah, the water gets those spots off real good. I'm just dipping my finger. Seems to be working with the water for the really stubborn spots. Okay, so I'm gonna keep at this. I'm not gonna make you sit here and watch it all, but I will fast forward and I will show you. This is the part that I've done so far, but I will keep working on it and I'll show you what it looks like. This Mayflower polishing cloth works amazing. It's a #1 bestseller on Amazon and has been for a few years. I have used those messy pastes in the past and they are just no good. This one is non-toxic, you can reuse it, and it's made in the USA, which is awesome. You can use it on gold, silver, platinum, hard stones, and your jewelry. Wow, that worked amazing. Look at this. The Mayflower polishing cloth, it did so good. I am so happy. Now I can use this and it looks beautiful, and I've restored it to kind of what it was 22 years ago when I received it. I was thinking that it's a hard time to buy gifts for like parents and grandparents because they have everything they need pretty much, but this would make such a good gift because they have pieces like this passed down from ancestors or hanging around their house. They would love, especially my dad. He has a coin collection. This would be perfect because some of those dates on his silver coins are so hard to see. So maybe I'll get him this for Christmas. That would be wonderful. So look how much I got off. Remember, the white is the cleaning cloth, and then the gray, which you can cover it up, is the buffing cloth for after to make it nice and shiny. So Mayflower polishing cloth, 10 out of 10. It's so awesome.